Hey, I'm Sam from Wevolver. Today we've got here the recently launched Knowles AISonic Development Kit, which is an all-in-one package that brings together audio processing and machine learning on the edge. This kit is designed to help you prototype and develop your own product solution. It is built around the IA8201 DSP, which stands for Digital Signal Processor. It is a low-power, high-performance dual-core digital signal processor with machine learning hardware accelerator. The idea of this kit is to get you familiarized and comfortable using the DSP and maybe some of the other components from Knowles you can find here so that you can develop your own product. For example, if I want to make a headphone with voice recognition built in, then I could use this to make my prototypes and develop my product. Another great example case for this is to be placed near an air conditioner or a washing machine or similar machines to listen to the sound they make and detect anomalies so that it can notify you whether there might be a problem with your machine. The kit includes a 2 microphone array and a 3 microphone array boards. Each board has this 10-pin connector. You can choose either one depending on your application. A 10-pin flex connector is included in the kit so that you can connect the microphone array to the main board. The other end of the 10-pin connector connects to the main board. And from the main board, you can connect it to the Raspberry Pi adapter using the 22-pin connector with the flex cable provided. And here is what it looks like fully assembled. Using the Knowles OpenDSP platform, the kit includes a library of onboard audio algorithms and AI machine learning libraries. The kit also features TensorFlow Lite micro SDK for fast prototyping and product development with AI and machine learning applications. Developer support is available through the Knowles Solutions portal. Learn more about the kit at knowles.com.